Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show these two looks. So let's get started. First of all, I am applying shadow in my middle of eye. I am using this shade and I'm gonna taking a little bit shade and applying it all the way of my middle part. Now I am applying it also in my crease area. I am making this color darker. Now I am blending this shade very well and making sure there is no harsh line at all. And I am using a pencil brush to remove harsh line. I am taking this hot pink shade and applying it in my upper part of crease area. I am using this blue shade for my crease. I am covering my whole eyelid with this. Now I am trying to mix this purple and blue color. Darken the color with my fingertips. I am going with this light golden shade and applying it in the middle part. I applied and blended it with my fingertips. I used same color to highlight my inner corner and brow bone area. For my lower lash line, I used same purple color. I am taking Lekme eyeliner and now I am drawing a wings. Removing eyeliner from my lash. I am using white kajal from Technic. Now I am taking this Imagic mascara and applying it in my lashes. After wearing a fake lash, this is my final look. Now I am going to do second look. So let's start again. I am starting again with my crease. I am taking same purple color for my crease, blending it well with a fluffy brush. I am darkening the color and spreading it in my outer crease, blending the harsh line. I am taking same pink color and applying it in the upper part of my crease, and I mixed these two colors smoothly. Now I am applying concealer in all over my eyelid to create a cut crease, and as a base for eyeshadow that I will use for my eyelid, I am starting with the beginning part of my eyelid and ending with outer corner. Then I covered my whole eyelid with this concealer. am fixing the messy part with purple color. Again, I am going back with this blue. I am drawing a line with a pencil brush and making sure that my middle part is empty. Then I darken the color carefully and smoothly. Taking this dark blue for my lower lash, and I also connect this with outer corner. I applied eyeliner in off camera, and now I am applying mascara, and my mascara is from Imagic. I also applied mascara in my lower lash to get volume. Taking this light golden and applying it in my brow bone and inner corner area as a highlighter. So this is my final look after wearing a fake lash. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share. Allah Hafiz.